Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening PowerShell Ise as administrator so you can run scripts without permission errors. Once open, set the execution policy for this session to bypass with the Set Execution Policy Scope Process command. This lets you test scripts safely without changing machine policy. Next, create and save a new file with a PS1 extension. Do this now, because saving preserves encoding and prevents line-ending surprises when you execute. Make sure your working directory is where you want to run files. You now write the actionable core. Start with small functions and common intent using hash so you understand why each step exists. Use IntelliSense, press Ctrl+space to complete CMDlet names and parameters. When ready, select lines and press F8 to run them in the bottom console. This isolates changes and speeds debugging. If you need more output, add verbose to commands. Once lines behave, run the full script with F5, observing errors in the console so you can iterate quickly. You finish by adding a clear header to the script that lists purpose, required modules, and any prerequisites so others, or future you, understand intent. Wrap risky operations with try/catch and return explicit exit codes when needed for automation pipelines. Once done, test on a clean environment. If something fails, first recheck the execution policy and module imports, then verify file encoding. Use UTF-8 with BOM if PowerShell misreads characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.